Niki!
What?
Hey, Vlad! Sorry, Niki. Hey, Vlad!
Run! Hey, you!
Come on, Niki!
What? No!
Hey, Vlad! Sorry, Niki.
No!
No, no, no.
No! Oh, no!
Hey, Vlad! Sorry, Niki.
Come on!
Don't worry, it's not serious.
Oh, no!
What is that? Sorry, Mommy.
Oh, we need to do something. Idea.
Come on,
Come on.
Okay.
What? No!
Of course.
Just drink water.
Okay.
Oh no.
Niki, we need more water. It's water for you.
Cool.
Thank you. I think it's enough. Whew. I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, superhero ready. No problem. No, people. Thank you, Vlad. No problem. I'm superhero.
What?
Okay. Cool.
Help me! What, Niki? Again? Superheroes is ready. Okay, cool superhero. No, Niki, it's for poo. Bye-bye. Thank you, Raj. Picture. Raj, I'm in the cup. I'm in cup. Again, Niki. Oh, Niki, what happened? I don't know. I want ice cream. Your favorite ice cream is chocolate. Yeah! Niki, I'm superhero, but I'm tired. Niki, sorry. Don't call me, please, Niki. Woo! This is superhero job. Niki, we have a best restaurant and a best chef.
Okay.
Okay. Take photo. Nice food. Send our friends.
Hello. One cake for me. Hi. One pizza for me, please. Yeah.
Giddy Roddy. Niki, we need big food truck. Okay.
Food trucks for sale.
Cool.
Hi. We need food truck.
Of
Okay.
Are you ready? Yes. Let's go.
Hey!
Okay, thank you. Yummy.
Cool.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Niki. Oh, super.
We're best policemen. Oh no, the floor is dirty now. I need to tell Vlad. Okay, let's go. Your wheels are dirty. I'm so sorry. Clean up, please.
Okay.
Everything is okay. Now 5 minutes. Time out. I think. Come on. 5 minutes too much? 5 minutes is over. Thank you. Good job. Yeah! Oh no! Mom isn't turned off the water. I need to cut your lamp.
What?
We need your help. Take your chair. Mommy, you forget to turn off water.
Oh, really? I forget about it. I turn off right now.
You need 5 minutes time out. Yeah.
5 minutes, it's too long. Oh, it's too small for me. Okay. Cuckoo. 5 minutes is over.
2 seconds only.
I will always remember to turn off the water.
Okay.
Oh, Vlad, thank you for the lesson.
Okay. Mommy. Oh no! Niki forgot to move book on the shelves. We need your help. Okay. Niki, you need clean up of the reading. Sure, Logic. Please put books on shelf. Clean up. We'll have fun today. 5 minutes time out to learn your lesson and think about it. Okay. 5 minutes is over.
Okay.
Give me 5. Good job.
I'm so hungry today. Oops. I need to clean up, but I'm so hungry. Okay, clean up later. Yes, of course. I will clean up later. I'm so hungry. Oh no, Mommy split a lot of cereal. I have to go to tell Vladik.
Okay.
Oh, what happened?
You forget to clean.
Where? Oh yeah, really. I forget to clean, but I was so hungry. Oh yeah. I'm so sorry. I just clean up. Okay.
Mommy.
Okay, thank you. Every time I need to clean up. Yeah, you are right.
Go to read and think about it.
Okay. It's too small. Oh, 5 minutes is over?
Only 1 second.
Okay. Finally, I will learn the lesson. Really.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Policeman Vlad.
This policeman job.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
I'm so hungry. I'll be back. Don't worry.
No!
I need help. Okay.
Okay. Cool.
Cool. What are you doing? Okay. Yeah! None more.
What?
Cake is not cereal. Hey, you.
You need wheels, not donuts.
Of course, I have one wheel.
Yeah, cool, let's try it. We need instruments.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah!
I need your help. I don't know what happened. Look there.
No!
You're too heavy. Don't worry, I'll help you. Just a moment. Okay. Niki, I need help.
What?
Come on, get in. Help me. I help you. Who I gonna be? Oh, it's hot.
Yarr! No! Run! Yarr! No!
Thank you very much, my hero. You saved me. Oh my God, thank you. Bye-bye, thank Why the door's opened? Oh no! Alice! Niki! Who opened the door? Cat can run out!
Open. Doesn't matter. She's in the house. Let's find her. Okay, let's go, Niki. Come on, let's find her.
Alice! Are you here?
Alice! Maybe she's in the kitchen.
No!
Maybe she's hungry.
Okay.
Oh, why she's like it? Oh, Kitty!
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. What?
Hello.
Did you see Kitty?
What? No!
Maybe she's under the sofa.
Kitty. Oh, I know. She loves swimming. Alice, are you here? What? No one in there. I told you to close the door.
It's not me. It wasn't me. I have an idea. Come on, boy. Let's go. We need to make an announcement.
We need picture about her.
Closet cat. Okay, done. And print.
So cute.
Okay, you go this way. You're here, and I'm going this way.
Kitty.
Okay.
Kitty.
Oh, my kitty. Kitty.
Hello, cat. Kitty. We're never gonna fight Alice.
Oh, no worry. Maybe somebody will find her. Okay, I need to wash the clothes. Okay. Oh, boys! Boys! I find her!
I miss you.
She needs color, house and toys. Let's go to pet shop.
Oh, what to choose? What do you need? Maybe this one? Here's the houses.
Oh, this is very good. Do you like it? Okay. You will never get lost, Alice. So nice.
Now you have owned your house. Yes.
Love and carry your pets. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. I like ice cream. Yeah! Where's my ice cream? Why do you take my ice cream? Sorry, Nick. I need new ice cream. Where's my ice cream? Ice cream? Deal. Mommy!
Oh, it's so yummy. Sorry, Nikki.
I need my ice cream. Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yummy ice cream. Whoa! Who touched my ice cream? Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
No!
Daddy?
Sorry, Nikki. It's so yummy.
This is ice cream only for me. Focus, focus. Wow! Look at the ice cream. Cool.